Okay guys, guess what? I'm in the shop today. It's the first time I think in over 2 weeks. And I just pulled this out of a drawer. Someone reminded me I had this and I thought I would include it in this video and just do a brief description. Anyone knows what this is, you already know, but some of you guys don't know. This is a 4-in-1. There's a story behind this tool as well. My old mentor, who died about 20 years ago, I helped his daughter clean up his shop when after he passed away. We took quite a few tons of scrap metal to a recycling place and a bunch of other stuff. And she gave me all of the tools she could think of that he had. So some of the containers that he had of stuff, I found a couple of pieces of this. I think I found the big one here, these two parts, and the cap. And I spent the next 6 months or a year or more going through stuff he had, and I eventually found these little pieces. So isn't that cool? It's made of solid brass. These probably have been around for 100 years. It's just the little tiniest little... I think I should start using this set. So, beautiful. I thought it was homemade at first, but it is engraved. Made in the US. Made in the USA. Right on there, you can barely see it. Whoop. Okay, enough about that. 4-in-1. So I was glad to find all the pieces and put it all back together. And Benny, the old guy that passed away, he's kind of the reason why I have a lathe now. He's one of the biggest factors. He always wanted to be a machinist. And for some reason his boss decided that he wasn't going to be one, and he became a welder, kind of a mechanic. Now these are a part of my tool post for the Atlas 12-inch lathe. Some of the tools fit right on. They probably came with this tool post, and there's actually a little bit of play, but this one here won't go on. You have to kind of tap it on with a mallet, and then you can't get it off. You gotta pry it off. So I need some advice here. I need to know, what would you guys do? I think I need to go in here with a milling machine and a 60-degree dovetail cutter and remove a bit of material here. I think that's the only solution I have. I don't think doing anything on the tool post would change it. But see this one? That one fits right too. So one of them doesn't fit, and I don't really want to order more of these holders. I need a holder for my boring bar set. I need a holder for the parting tool. And I kind of held off on ordering that stuff because I thought, what if I'm in the same jam again? That thing doesn't fit. So that's my question. Okay, well the other thing is I ordered a set of carbide tools, turning tool set. It's a 4-piece set, and there's 16mm shank, and this is 14mm. So I knew that there was a size discrepancy, so I knew that I can either order oversized holders or I can mill these out. And so you could leave me a comment on that too. What would you guys do? Mill out the top side, the bottom side's got that little V in it for I think you could put a boring bar in there as well. Or would you just mill the tool itself, the shank on the tool? They're all about 14 mils. I measured them all. Oh, I must have pushed the reset here. Yeah, I think they're all 14. 13.96. And then this one, 14.14. 21. So that's the other thought I had. In the last video I made, it was just kind of a fast video between snowstorms. I was talking about these collets They are MT3 and they fit in the headstock, so it's clear that I know where they go. They have a drawbar going in them. They're beautiful, and I've got a pretty much complete set from 1/8 up to 3/4. That's as big as you can go. I'm missing the 7/16, which is kind of an odd size, so I don't know if I'll even go get that. I do have some 7/16 material in the shop here, so I may go get. These are about. You can buy these at Busy Bee for about $9-10, and I bought the whole set on Kijiji for, I think I paid $40 for all. I think there's 8 of them. Yeah. Okay, one of the things I was going to check was, is this hardened steel? A lot of these tool holders are hardened steel, so I was just going to go over it with a file. I don't think it's hardened. That took a bite right out of there. So yeah, so these could be milled with a high-speed steel dovetail cutter. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, there's how much snow we've got so far. You hear me whining about the snow. We're between 230 and 240 centimeters. That's 94 inches. 7 feet 6 inches to 10 inches, somewhere in there. I'm going to show you what we got in 2008. So in 2008 we had between 410 and 420. I think it was closer to 420 centimeters. It's 165 inches, 13 feet 8 to 10 inches. I always said if we get that kind of winter again, I'm going to get out of snow. Well, we're not there, but it's been a really hard winter, and most of that snow came since the first week of January. So from January till now, we've got over half of that snow in 5-6 weeks. So it's not letting up, and the issues with the construction are really hurting us. But that's just what I just keep praying for spring to arrive soon. So leave anything in the comments if you have any answers about these tool holders. I do plan to order 2 more, so I may have the same problem with 3 of these. That's why I held back on ordering them. And I do have that shipment of tools coming in. They're not here yet. I thought they'd be here by now. Otherwise, I'd be using them right now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.